We are so excited to launch our second masterclass. Continuing on the theme of DIY flowers, which is a community favorite, we're going to explore frosted paper. This style is where I started my journey in designing paper flowers, so it is dear to my heart. You can get so much detail when using this lightweight paper, and the challenge of transforming it from a flat piece of paper to a soft flowing bloom is rewarding. I will teach you how to create 7 different flowers and a set of greenery in this class, plus we'll do a little bonus project. Some of these are new designs, while others are upgrades of older templates. I'll also teach you how to arrange a 360 bouquet and an asymmetrical wreath. For this class, I'll be cutting all of my petals and leaves on a personal cutting machine, and we'll supply all of the SVG files for this. If you don't have a machine or prefer to cut by hand, we'll provide a PDF template for each project. This masterclass is perfect for all levels of crafters. I look forward to you joining our joy-filled community for this month-long event. As you will soon find out, our community of crafters fill the world with love and beauty, one paper flower at a time.